Riding stapler. It owns 2 binding modes, riding stapler binding modes and flat binding modes, suitable for the binding of the booklets, picture albums, and magazines with the thickness under 5 mm. Let's start from the riding stapler binding modes first. Take out our picture or fuse, fold it in half by ourselves or by the greasing machine. Put it on top of our position platform here, by the middle line here. And then press our paddle switch. Now move to this side. And also press our paddle switch. Now finish. Very easy. Move to the flat binding mode. Start our machine first. Twist our switches on the opposite direction. And now take out our platform to this side and make flat. Twist our switches back. And now take out our paper or fuse. Organize them and put them on the platform. Be careful. And now press the paddle switch here. Easy to operate. For more how to do videos, focus on SBOSTO.com. Thank you for watching.